Hello everyone, I am Yashcvora and this is an internship project organized by the Spark Foundation. Here the task is to do the prediction using the decision tree algorithm. The main problem statement is using the decision tree algorithm we have to predict the species based on these features and represent it visually using the iris dataset. This is a dataset link. Uh, there are 6 columns in this dataset and they are this. Then we are importing some required libraries. Pandas for the data analysis and data manipulation operation, Numpy for mathematical operation and creating the n-dimensional array. Then for visualization, we are using the Matplotlib and Seaborn. Then for the train test split, we are importing this library. For the model creation, we are using the decision tree classifier. For model evaluation, we are using the R2 score, confusion matrix, and classification report. Then for the visualizing the decision tree, we are using this method. And then we are loading the data set. So this is our data set. Now we are dropping the id column as it is not needed. So this is our final data. Then we are doing some statistical analysis like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile, then maximum value for all of these columns. Then we zig information about the data. So here we can see that each of the columns, only the last column is an object, otherwise all the other columns are the numeric. So we have to convert this object column into the numbers because the machine understand only the numbers. So we have to do the feature encoding techniques here or any other techniques for converting this object column. Then we are checking the null values, they are 0. Then we are doing the pair plot for the multivariate analysis. This is how it looks. Then we are doing a bar plot for the unique values count in the species column. So here we can see that the iris setosa, iris virginica, and iris versicolor, all of them is having the equal values, equal unique values, that is the 50. And then we are doing a box plot for the species and sepal and centimeter. So there are some outliers, and then we are doing the box plot for these 2 columns. Then we are doing the correlation with the heat map, so it is looking something like this. Then we are converting the categorical column species into numeric. So first we are creating a dictionary. So for the iris setosa there is 1, for iris virginica 2, and iris versicolor is 3. So basically we are converting this categorical value into this value. So how? So something like this. We are simply using this for loop, and this method dot items method is basically returning the key and value one by one. So first of all it will return this key value, then the another key variable like this. So what we are doing, we are simply replacing in the species column wherever there is a this particular key, we are replacing it with this value. So in this way we have converted uh, our species was categorical value into the numeric value like this. And now we are checking the data type. So the species is converted into the integer, so the numeric, it is the categorical value is converted into the numeric. Then we are splitting the data. X is the we are splitting the data into the dependent and independent variables. X is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. Then we are doing the train test split, and we are checking the shape of each of them. Then we are initializing the model. Then we are fitting the data with the model. We are fitting the x train and y train. Basically we are training our model with our training data and test our model with other testing data. So for that we are training the model with the x train and y train. So this we have fitted the model. Now we are checking the accuracy for the training and testing. So for the training data it is 100%, and for the testing data the accuracy is 97.36%. Now the model evaluation. So first of all we are calculating the predicted value, and so these are the predicted values, and then these are the actual values. So here we can clearly see that the actual value is 2 and the model is predicted also 2. Similarly for the others. Then we are creating the confusion matrix. So this is how it looks like. Then we are creating the classification report. So here for all the classes the precision and the recoil value and the F1 score value is there. Then the R2 score, it is nearly 96%, and at last we are visualizing the decision tree using this plot tree method. So this is how the decision tree looks like. And now we are concluding the video, and if you have any queries regarding this solution then comment down below, and if you like my content then share with others. Thank you.